Hi guys, Paul here from Pilgrim Motorsports and Muscle Car UK. We've got one of our own here. It's a Pilgrim Cobra that was built in 2002 by a gentleman. It's only done 278 miles from new. That's 278 miles. It's all it's done. Gentleman built it and it just sat in his garage. We were fortunate enough to purchase it a few weeks ago, and we've just gone through it, changed a few things, upgrades. But as you can see, he's had everything done to it. He's had this beautiful paint job done, which is absolutely stunning. It's it's like a candy color, they call it, so it does change color, which is absolutely stunning. One minute it's dark blue, next minute it's green, next minute it's gold. It really is real stunning bodywork on this. You can see we've just put some new Cooper Cobra tyres on. They're 15s because obviously the tyres have got a bit old, so we put a new set of those on. Just a beautiful car. It's got the side exhaust as you'd expect. It's got the wings on it, sun visors, all the chrome is all beautiful. It's got leather interior, piped in a similar colour to the body. So absolutely stunning. Double twin rollover bars, beautiful. It's got the rear bumper bars. Absolutely everything is absolutely gorgeous. Got the lovely AC sticker there. A real stunning car this is, with literally no miles whatsoever. Let's have a look under the bonnet. And what we have here is we've got a Chevy V8. As I said, it's a brand new crate engine, 278 miles ago. Obviously it was a long time ago, but we've gone through it, checked it all through, drives beautifully, and as you can see it was finished really well. So if you're looking for a Cobra, low mileage in a decent price range, doesn't get much better than this, to be truthful. Sounds magnificent, as you can imagine, and it's ready to use. Just go out there and enjoy it. Still, we've got plenty of summer left, and have some fun. But look at that, doesn't that look something special? Really is a great car. Come down, give it a go, and I'm sure you'll thoroughly enjoy it. Taking out a day like this is absolutely superb. You can hear that noise, that beautiful Chevy V8 side exhausts. Got the little black steering wheel on it. We can always put a wooden steering wheel on if you like. This is a Mounty steering wheel, but if you fancy the wooden one, not a problem. We can put that on as well. That's easy. But really lovely car to drive, and done no miles at all.